name is Puvun Gavadayu. I am from 3rd day. Today's topic is conservation of water. Water is the most precious gift of nature. We need to conserve it. There has always been a scarcity of potable water. The groundwater level also falls due to excessive demand of water in the summer season. Some other reasons for shortage of water are as follows: lack of proper rainfall, overflowing of water tanks, increased demand of water due to increase in population. Wastage of water in activities like washing car, using the shower for bathing, unfixed leaking pipes, etc. Ways to conserve water. We need to take the following measures to conserve water. Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. Get the leaking taps and pipes repaired. Use a bucket and a mug instead of a shower to take a bath. Reuse the water used for washing vegetables in activities like cleaning the floor or watering the plants. Water should be stored proper in covered containers. One of the most important techniques of saving water today is rainwatering harvesting. In this process, rainwater is collected and then later used for various purposes. Thank you. This is the water poster. Thank you.